T-Mobile backup internet for $20 a month. Guys, if you work from home or travel, you need to get this.
So for those who don't know, T-Mobile Home is basically the same mobile internet on your phone. It's just powering your home Wi-Fi instead. It's not bad, not my favorite, but backup internet. I don't see this being talked around a lot. It's a brand new plan they released about a year ago. I'm only just getting around to playing with it now. But guys, it's just $20 a month. So hear me out. You guys are working from home, you're running a business, want to keep the family entertained. Even when you travel, you want peace of mind. You can still get into your security cameras because, let's be honest, we don't pay for ADT anymore, right? We just check up on our cameras if we see someone in the house we don't know. And so it's a value to having secondary internet, but obviously it's just crazy to spend $50 a month from Spectrum, right? It's just $20. The one catch, you only get 130 gigs of fast data per month, and if you go over that limit, your internet gets slowed to a crawl. But it's unlimited. I mean, God forbid something really bad happens. Big old hurricane, you don't have internet for a couple of days. I mean, you're not stranded. It's a pretty big deal. Okay, so the other catch, it wasn't available for my home address on their website. And I can kind of see why. Maybe I'm just really far from the cell tower, or my cell tower is kind of congested, like all my neighbors already have the service. But anyway, the workaround people were saying, you just show up to a T-Mobile store, and yeah, I just walked in and they set me up 1, 2, 3.
So, excuse the mess, but this is the current setup right now. Got my AT&T fiber going into my fancy router, a Unified Dream Machine Pro. There's a gateway, which is going to the secondary internet port.
I get it. This setup is a little crazy, but all you really need is any router with WAN failover or dual internet. Asus sells a few.
The one caveat, there is no window here.
So because of this, the speeds were really bad. I mean, you can see the speed test, but weird enough, the internet was really good. Like Hulu and YouTube were loading up instantly. And yeah, I mean, I just kind of removed the cable from the main router, and it was a really quick switch over. You get notified from the phone. I mean, I had the wife approval, so there we go. So I did a speed test around the house to see if it would get a little better. So by the window, I was adding an extra bar, and the speeds kind of doubled a bit. But it's still 4G speeds. When I took the router out to my porch, I was finally getting 5G speeds, and I mean, it was a huge speed bump.
But the good news is this new device has external antenna mounts. So, and as luck already has it, I already have a hole because I'm running fiber to my garage. Stay tuned for that. But basically, when the weather gets a little bit warmer in a few months, I'm gonna use that hole and run an external antenna outside so I can take advantage of those 5G speeds.
In addition, you guys are also going to get enrolled into the exclusive T-Mobile discounts like T-Mobile Tuesdays. Basically, they send you like really cool coupon codes every Tuesday, like a free sub, things like that. It's really cool, actually. But without even getting a phone plan. For $20 a month, guys, I mean, this just feels like a really cool deal. And let me know what you guys think. If something we want to see specifically, drop it down in the comment below. Definitely subscribe because I'm going to be adding the 5G antenna outside to increase the speeds. But yeah, let me know, guys.